Now, as many of you already know that NIO, ladies and gents, it is busy planning for its first sub-brand, which is called Alps, which we already know that the CEO came in just a few weeks ago indicating that that car will range price-wise between 200 to 300 RMB or Chinese yen. Ladies and gents, today we received wonderful news of saying that NIO is already planning to launch the second sub-brand, which of course will range or will have a price range of around 100 to 200 RMB. Now, this is something that is incredible because NIO is a company that is showing that in the future, its growth is looking very promising. I mean, NIO won't just be selling NIO cars, but it will be also selling Alps. It will also be selling the or another brand or sub-brand which we don't know its name yet. And this, ladies and gents, NIO indicated that they are doing this, of course, or this is not something new in the auto industry, as companies like Toyota, they are doing. I mean, Toyota, you know that they own brands like there's Toyota, there's Lexus, and there's also Suzuki. So this is the same thing that we are seeing also the big leaders in the or the big automakers doing. I mean, if you check companies like Volkswagen, they also have a brand like Audi, which is a bit higher than, of course, Volkswagen, which is something that is incredible. So this, of course, or what NIO is doing is not something that we are seeing in the market. It's something that, of course, big companies are also doing, which is something that is incredible because NIO indicated that one of the reasons why they are doing this is they want NIO cars to, of course, be separate from the other sub-brands. Yes, these sub-brands will be coming from the NIO umbrella, but in terms of operations, I think they will have their own R&Ds and all those kind of things, which is something that must just show you that NIO is a company which will do very well, especially that all the cars that they will be selling, they'll be targeting different income groups. It will be from lower to high end, or from lower middle to high income earners, which is something that is incredible and something that continues to make me to remain bullish onto this NIO stock, because I know that with this NIO, not only will they be delivering or getting sales from their NIO cars, but they will be getting sales from Alps cars. They will be also getting sales from, of course, the other sub-brand which we don't know the name yet, which is something that is incredible. And to know that all these cars that NIO will be selling, or all these brands that will be under NIO will be selling different cars, which of course targets different people. And the fact that obviously a company like NIO, so many people in China and in, of course, Norway and Europe are really liking their cars, makes me to want to believe that even these sub-brands, ladies and gents, they will do very well in terms of sales, which is why it's important that, of course, if you are investing onto this NIO stock, you also know the fact that NIO will also be selling other brands in the near future. So like I said, this new second sub-brand which NIO will be launching, which we don't know its name yet, will be targeting the lower income class, which is something that, like I said, NIO wants to cater for everyone. When they sell their cars, it looks like they really want to put their roots deep down there, and they make sure that everyone gets to benefit from, of course, their cars, which is something that I personally believe that it will make them to really dominate this EV industry. I mean, this new sub-brand, like I said, it will range from 100 to 200, and after 200, you know that there is Alps, which obviously the CEO has already told us that it will be from 200, or it will range from 200 to 300. Then from that comes the NIO, which you know that one ranges from around 400 going upwards, which is something that is incredible, which is why I continue to remain bullish onto this NIO stock, because this is a company that, ladies and gents, is doing well and it's just set to do very well. And I think the fact that NIO is planning to launch this new brand or sub-brand is something that is incredible. And NIO is a company that, ladies and gents, still today we read that it is going to, or we might see launching the NIO phone within a year or in a year's time, which is something that is incredible, as that again is going to make, of course, the experience to be totally different and premium, especially to those that buy the NIO cars. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I should just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you load the boat onto this new stock, please consider doing your own DD so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And God bless you all.